here today to show you a super quick and easy way to make your own disposable mask from home. This is the mask that we will be making. You're going to need a few items to create this mask. Most importantly, some shop towels. I purchased these from my local AutoZone. I've heard that you can also get them at places like Long's, Walmart, and hardware stores. You also need a scissors, some hair ties or rubber bands, a small paper clip which you will need to flatten out, some tape, and a stapler. Okay, so let's begin. The first thing that we are going to need is the flattened out paper clip, and we are going to secure that to the top of the shop towel with some tape. And just make sure the piece of tape is a little bit longer than your paper clip. And we're going to secure it to the very top of the towel, pressing down on the tape to make sure that it is nice and stuck. You can see there what I did. Next, we are going to fold over the towel, and we are going to make sure that the paper clip is stuck right in the crease of the towel. And I'm going to fold it over a total of 3 times to secure it in there. And then I am going to go ahead and continue folding down this towel all the way to the very end in 1-inch increments so that it's like a fan. So I'll go back and forth. So go 1 inch here, just like that. I'm going to flip the towel over and fold, flip and fold all the way to the end. Okay, so that's what you get. Then I'm going to take the entire thing and I'm going to fold it in half. Okay, so that it looks like that, in half. And this is where my stapler comes in. I am going to staple on each side of the towel about 1 inch up. Just making sure that the staple goes all the way through, like so. And go ahead and do this on the other side as well. An inch up from the edge of the towel there. Okay, so now it looks like this. And then I'm going to open it up at the middle, and I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to make a little slit up at the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and tear down the towel right to where the staple is. And I'm going to do that on both sides here. Like so. Okay. And then I'm going to get my rubber band or hair tie, and I'm going to go ahead and put that right in the middle there. And I'm going to put the 2 pieces of towel back together so that the hair tie is stuck right in the middle there. And I'm going to take my stapler again and staple just outside of where that rubber band is to make sure it is nice and secure in that spot. So it looks like that, nice and tight. And I'm going to go ahead and do that to the other side as well. See there. And depending on the size of your face, you may need to adjust where the staples go. Obviously, if you have a little bit of a bigger face, you may want to push the staples out just a little bit further towards the edge. But I know that this works for the size of my face. It should cover about the size of my hand here. And we're done, guys. This is it. So once you have that done, you're going to want to fit it and make sure it fits on your face properly. So I'm going to put mine on here, take the rubber bands and attach them to my ears, pull the bottom down under my chin, go up on the top and squish that paper clip up against the bridge of my nose so that everything is nice and tight around my face. You can see I can still breathe through here, and we're all good to go. So I hope this is helpful for you. Please stay well, be safe, and stay healthy. Aloha.